Hello, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Investing and Trading Live. As always, I'm your host, Josh Lilquist. Today, we're going to do a stock market update. As always, we are on episode 1005. We do appreciate our subscribers and followers. Keep listening to the show. We continue to do updates several times per week. Also, the main show goes on every single week as well. So today, what we're going to do is a stock market update. Obviously, we had some good volatility once again with the markets. We have also earnings that came out yesterday, and as I talked about yesterday with NVIDIA, bad earnings does not always mean bad price action. But then again, is there really ever any bad price action? Because we know the markets will move, we just want them to move. You have to have strategies for both directions, up, down, and sideways. So that's what we're going to discuss here on the show on Investing and Trading Live. Make sure to subscribe, that like button and subscribe button on Apple Podcasts, iHeartRadio, and Spotify. As you know, there is risk in trading and investing. You can and will lose money at one point in your life. And this is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Mainly mine. But hopefully you find it entertaining as well. Let's start with the old S&P 500. Pretty much a flat day. Really, it was only down 24 cents on the day, but we have some post-market action and a decline on the day, so we'll see what happens overnight with the stock market and the open tomorrow morning as we get into those hours. But we're down about $3 per share in the after hours after a lackluster day. It gapped up slightly, but then closed pretty much right at the close of yesterday, so not much of action in the S&P 500 today. Same with the Dow Jones, up 0.15%, same story. Excuse me, I am mistaken. It was actually down 1.15%. The NASDAQ, which is the Qs, was actually up on the day, gapped up, and it didn't get down to the close of yesterday, although it did wick down further, but we've seen some strength towards the end of the day, last 4 hours. As far as on the NASDAQ, now the IWM, which is the Russell, that was down about 0.5%. That did not gap up like the others did, so that one did show some weakness on the day. Closed at 197.68. The QQQ 426.51. The Dow Jones 384.44, and the S&P 500 SPY 505.41. That is your stock market major index market update for the day. Gold was down ever so slightly. There was some good movement there after we gapped down with the GLD ETF. On last week, we had a big drop in the market, and we're just seeing some consolidation right around here. We're going to go to the actual spot price here to look at this, since this is actually open right now. Gold, slight down day on Wednesday, and we'll see what happens as we go. There was a lot of selling pressure right away in the day, but over the last couple hours, 4 to 6 hours on the day, until the close at 5 o'clock with the futures market, that showed a little bit of strength, but then some weakness right at the end again. So currently at $2,315 per ounce. Silver, $27.16. We are seeing some consolidation potentially create. Now, this potentially could create a supply zone if we do see a drop out of here, bringing it down. I mean, potentially, who knows where the next demand zone is? I mean, I do like the $23 area to $24, but we will see if it gets down there. That's a big drop that could take. I mean, with gold and silver, silver especially, it could take a couple days, but my guess is it'll take a week or two to get down there. But I've been wrong in the past. Bitcoin, actually, no, sorry. We want to look at oil quick. Oil is at 111.76. Big day, big day as we speak right now on oil, up currently from 104.38 to 111. So big jump in oil prices on the day. Let's see what happens. Wall Street, blah, blah, blah. Crude price settles lower on dollar strength. So it's amazing what the news comes out with, and whenever it comes out, it's never lines up with the actual price and what it's doing. So that's your crude oil price. As I mentioned, as I got into that, Bitcoin, big drop on on the day today. 66,423 down to 464,131. So this one's seeing some major selling pressure coming in the market. Real quick, our mobile token, that one also seeing some big pressure, getting to the lows of, could get down to the lows of the 13th, last Saturday. So mobile token not looking good. HNT, helium token, $3.67. Although I do love this project. Matter of fact, HNT is helium mobile, or mobile token is. And basically it's 5G cell service. So I actually purchased this helium mobile service. I got a Google Pixel, which actually is pretty darn nice. Most of my iPhones, I got a few of them most of my phones are iPhones. Look, you call everything your iPhone. Most of my phones are iPhones. And I do like the iPhone, but golly, the Pixel is actually pretty nice. The good thing about this Helium Mobile, it's only $20 a month, and you get rewarded based on coverage, on mapping. You get different badges and stuff like that. So at current prices, I could actually pay my phone bill with the rewards that I'm getting, and I'm actually getting more rewards than what the monthly subscription cost is. So I'm actually making money having the phone, which is kind of interesting at current prices. Now, obviously, hope to see these prices go up, but they've been struggling for quite some time now. So, but it's kind of interesting project, and I see that once you get the public to buy in on that or get more adoption, that will continue to show some volatility and some good moves in the market. So that's your mobile and HMT update. Dollar was up 0.13% on the day. Not much of a move. And continuing the upside, but we've seen it slow down here the last 6 or 7 sessions. Euro dollar still has that short bias. Pound dollar also has that short bias and is still in that spot there that we talked about last night. Matter of fact, it might be a good opportunity here to look at that. Same with the Aussie dollar. Actually, Aussie dollar has no action right now. And the Aussie New Zealand also has that short bias as well. So we will see what happens with these as we move forward. Major moves in the stock market. You have Tesla. Big jump in Tesla. Matter of fact, my mistake. I made a mistake at the beginning. I called it NVIDIA, which was the earnings call. It was actually Tesla, which had bad earnings, but the price popped up 12%. Elon, I don't know exactly what was said, but I think Musk had some comments of something in there of, I think it was something about, I really don't know what it was. So bad earnings does not always mean bad price action. Any other major movers in the market today? I don't really see anything on anything I look at. Alibaba was up almost 3%. AMC was down 3%. Whoop-de-doo. Who trades AMC these days? Netflix was down almost 4%. Coinbase was down 5% after a big jump in the market the day before. So it retraced all the gains that it had the day before. Rounding out your stocks, you have Shopify that was down 2.36%. So this one here was an options opportunity, which it was right after earnings. So it brought good premium, but a little too much risk assessed with that one, so we did not do that one. So that, my friends, is your stock market update of the day, crypto market, futures market update of the day, and regular spot Forex market of today on episode 1005. We will continue this. We're going to hit 2000, as I mentioned. We're going to reach the #1 global financial podcast as soon as we can. We're going to continue to work hard for that. As always, collect your profits when they're given to you and protect your losses, keeping them small. Until next time, retire young, my friends.